Struggling to close B2B deals? Wasting hours on leads that ghost you? Here's the hard truth. Without a winning sales funnel, you're not just losing money. You're handing it to your competitors. But what if I told you that with the right strategy, you could turn cold leads into high-ticket clients on autopilot? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to a high-converting B2B funnel that prints money. Oh, and don't skip ahead, because one tiny mistake in your funnel can kill your entire business. I'll reveal it later, but first, most B2B entrepreneurs make the same deadly mistake. They treat their sales funnel like an online brochure, expecting people to buy just because their service is good. Hate to break it to you, but nobody cares. Businesses don't buy products. They buy solutions to painful problems. Let's be real. Have you ever booked a sales call out of pure curiosity? Of course not. You act when there's urgency, when a problem is burning a hole in your business. So if your funnel isn't laser-focused on solving an urgent pain point, you're leaving money on the table. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix this in Act 2. But first, here's a question. What's the #1 reason why most sales funnels fail? Think about it. I'll reveal the answer in a second. Here's the secret to a high-converting B2B sales funnel. It's not about selling. It's about educating, qualifying, and nurturing. Let's break it down. 1. Awareness stage, where you grab attention with value-packed content. Blog posts, LinkedIn articles, short-form videos. Anything that positions you as the go-to expert. 2. Interest stage. Now you need a lead magnet, a free, high-value resource that solves a micro-problem. Think checklists, industry reports, or an on-demand webinar. 3rd decision stage. Here's where most funnels break. Instead of pushing a sales call too soon, you pre-sell with case studies, testimonials, and real ROI-driven stories. Your prospects should be begging to talk to you. 4th action stage. By now, your leads are sold before the call. Your only job? Close the deal and onboard them seamlessly. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about scaling? How do I automate this so I'm not glued to my phone all day? Glad you asked. That's where Act 3 comes in. You don't want to be stuck chasing leads forever. That's why you need automation. Here's how. 1. CRM and email sequences. Every new lead should enter a nurturing sequence, warming them up before your team even talks to them. 2. Retargeting ads. Show ads to people who engaged but didn't convert. Sometimes all it takes is a gentle nudge. 3. Sales team or AI chatbots. Once your funnel works, outsource or automate parts of the sales process to free up your time. Now, before we wrap up, remember that one tiny mistake I mentioned earlier? The one that could kill your funnel? The biggest mistake? Focusing on you instead of them. Your funnel isn't about how amazing your service is. It's about making your prospect feel like they'd be crazy not to work with you. Fix that, and your sales will explode. Want to see a real-life example of a 7-figure B2B funnel in action? Click this video right here, and I'll break it down step by step. See you there.